It's a good morning from Zimbabwe. If you're new to my channel, my name is Rubina and I am a part-time Forex trader, and you've just stumbled upon my Forex trading journal. So please subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Also, seeing as I'm introducing myself to you, I would like you to know that I am an ICT trader. I came across ICT in January of 2023 and went through his 2022 mentorship. It's free of charge, and he teaches algorithmic price action trading, which is price action, but on steroids. Okay, so if you want to learn to trade the way I trade, then head on over to the Inner Circle Traders YouTube channel. It's free, guys, free of charge. Also, let me just put my disclaimer out there, since I'll be looking at my charts and talking about trading. Please note that everything you see here should be viewed as entertainment and not any form of trading, financial, or investment advice. And also, I want you to know that I will never engage in direct messaging you. And if somebody using my information approaches you, they are likely trying to scam you. So please block them and report them. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I did promise I'll keep my videos short. So let me just jump straight into the screen. We do our review today, or we mark our lines like what we've been doing since last week. Okay, so let's look at the charts. All right, so it is Wednesday, the 6th of December 2023, and this is just before 8:30 a.m. in ZimYM, which is just before 1:30 in the morning New York time. I use ICT concepts, so I have changed my trading view chart to UTC -5, which is New York time. It toggles between UTC -5 and UTC -4. So if you just change it, it will change automatically. Okay, and then here we are. What I'm going to do, as usual, is mark my IPTA range. If you don't understand what IPTA means, you are welcome to go through my previous videos and look at them, because I try to explain in detail what IPTA refers to. Okay, so we are going to mark our IPTA for this trading day. Okay, and then we are going to drop down, not anymore, but we are going to look at our line chart. And what I want to do is remove the previous levels from yesterday's price action and look at today's levels. This is our IPTA range. So I am going to mark my Tuesday. This is Monday, so let's move this to Tuesday. There you go. So I'm going to mark my Tuesday range. Here we go. This is the high to the most recent high that I can make out, which is that one. So this I'm going to put across all the way to today's price action. So this then would be Tuesday high buy side. Tuesday high buy side. I've got my microphone in the way. I'll adjust it soon. And then we are also going to go for sell side. So I'm marking the lowest low and the one just before that. There you go. So this would then be our Tuesday low. Tuesday low, sell side. And this is my range for today. As usual, what I'll do is wait for price to close, which is close below sell side. And within this price leg that closes below sell side, I'll look for a CB, and I'll use that CB as entry, possibly going lower, or it can come and close above buy side, and then within the buy side should be a BC that I'll use as possible entry when it wants to go higher. In the meantime, all the price action that happens in between here, I will not focus on it much. But what I want to do is mark my 12 a.m. candle. You remember the importance of my New York open candle, don't you guys? All right, so this will be New York open price, and we are going to change this color to our usual yellow. Okay, So that's all it is. That's all I'm doing, and I'm waiting. If I take my fib, right, and then I mark it across like that, it would be great. I'm not saying it's going to happen because I don't want to preempt the market, but it would be great for price to come up above New York Open, because remember, we actually sell above New York and buy below New York. So it'd be great if price was to come up here and then reject off a level that's here somewhere and then start making its way down. And once it trades and closes below sell side, will I then look at this price leg for entries? All right, I did promise I'll be keeping my videos short, so for now that's it. Let me get to work, and then I'll be back just before 12 my time, which is just before 5 a.m. New York time. Let's allow the market to paint the way it wants to paint today. Okay, great. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we are still waiting for price action, guys. As you can see, we seem to have been range bound so far. It is just before 11:30 a.m. in Zim, and this candle painting is just before 5:30 a.m. in New York. So we wait. Remember, we are waiting for price to either come below sell side and close, and the line chart will help us with that. It needs to close below here or close above there. Whatever happens in between price action is for those who like scalping. As for me, I have to wait. Okay, I will see you in a bit. Alrighty, so as you can see, price hasn't moved much. We are still waiting. We're still ranging within the discount area of price. I need price to close below sell side for me to consider a bearish entry. So until then, let me just get on with work. Right now, it's just after 1 p.m. in Zim where I am, and it's just after 6 a.m. in New York. So we are approaching the kill zone, which is 7 to 9 a.m. and I would like to see how price is going to paint, because the London morning session didn't really give much movement. Yes, here we have created relative equal highs, which are here. As you can see, they are relatively equal, and it would be nice for price to continue going lower and at least close below sell side. Not just take sell side, but close below it, and then I will consider my next move. Okay, so until a bit later then, I'll see you in a bit. I would like to apologize sincerely, guys, for the poor audio quality earlier. I'm just doing my edits now, and I realized that I was using the mic my computer mic and not the actual mic extension. So I'm really sorry, but I've corrected it, and I hope this time you can hear me properly. I need to dash out for about 30 minutes or so. I need to go and buy some material, and then I'll be back, hoping by then market would have at least closed below sell side, and I won't be too late to maybe take a sell entry. If I am, it's a very simple thing, I will not trade. I will have to come back tomorrow. So I will see you soon. Thank you so much. Okay, so we're at 19 minutes past 4, which is almost home time here in Zim where I am, and it is just after 9 a.m. New York time. And as you can see, we haven't moved much, still waiting. And look at price action here on the line chart. Shh. Sorry about that. Remember, I always tell you. But anyways, we've got on the line chart, you can see that price hasn't really closed below sell side. It came and wicked it just so let's see this candle where it's going to close. It needs to close below sell side for it to indicate a willingness to go lower. However, my challenge, as was yesterday, was time. I need to be wrapping up and going home after 5, so I won't be able to monitor my trade. And me being in the trade, just entering before I go home compared to entering earlier then going home knowing I've left the trade open, I don't like the feeling. So I think I would rather not put in a trade even if it does close below, and then I'll come back tomorrow and see if that session or section has left a CB, and we'll use that CB as possible entry for tomorrow's price action. As for now, let me wrap up, guys, so that I can render the video and then upload it, and you can see it within a space of a few hours. Okay, apologies for that earlier hiccup. I left my door open. It's really hot here in Zimbabwe, so all my windows are open, my doors are open, just to get a bit of fresh air around. But as usual, people come and they want to have a chat. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow, guys. Please do not forget to like, to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And again, apologies for the sound quality earlier on in the video. Until tomorrow then, I will see you. Enjoy your evening. Bye-bye.